Hi everyone, my name's Vanessa and I am a librarian at the Bridgewater Public Library. This video is to talk about some resources we have linked on our website to help you with homework and also just to do some fun activities to build up your academic skills. So I will highlight some of those that are available today in this video, and if you're homeschooled or if you're just doing school remotely, this could really help you if you need it. So you're going to come to Bridgewater Public Library's website, which is bridgewaterpubliclibrary.org, and you're going to click on Kids. Once you're on the Kids homepage, you're going to scroll down to where it says Links for Kids, and this will bring you to those resources. So as you can see here, it lists all of the links and resources that we recommend, and it gives brief descriptions of what each one is. I'm going to highlight a few just so you can get a feel for what some of these are like. The first one I'm going to talk about is Brainly. I have it up here. I will click on my tab. Okay, so with Brainly, you can ask a question or post a question with some answers, but it's most of the answers are verified by experts, so you can rest assured that you're going to get good help. If you're trying to figure out a math problem and you're stuck, it will show you a step-by-step explanation of how it got to the answer. I have put in a question already in this search box, which was, what is the 19th Amendment? And as you can see, the answers were provided that the U.S. granted American women the right to vote. So that could be helpful for you. It is good for middle school to college level, and there is a free trial for 7 days. After that, you do need to subscribe, but at least the trial will give you a feeling for the site and see if you like it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the educational links and talk about one of the next ones, which is Ed Helper, which is listed here. It is free worksheets for all sorts of things, and so I have that here. Okay, so here on Ed Helper, you can see there are some categories here based on grade of worksheets. So let's say you have a kindergartner who may need help practicing with sight words. There's definitely those worksheets. You can see on the left, they have worksheets for math, reading, homework books, handwriting, sight words, also puzzles, and other writing worksheets. So if I clicked on sight words, it actually expands it and gives you different worksheets for each month. So I think that's really neat. Okay, so the next site that I want to talk about on our list down here is one that's at the bottom, and it's called Typing Club. I think that this one is also really neat. Okay, so here it is, and as you can see, totally free to practice typing so that you can get really good at not having to look at the keyboard. I took a typing class back in high school, and I found that it was very helpful and useful. It ended up, helping me later in college when I needed to type all those papers, and helps in work and just in life in general. So this is good for anyone at any age who may not have that skill and always looks down or hunts and pecks for the keys. So if you just type where they tell you to, as you can see here, it'll correct you and it'll tell you what you're going to practice next. And there's varying levels of the typing practices so that, it gets faster and harder, and you can build up your skills so that you don't have to look at the keyboard. Another one that I wanted to highlight was one for science called Generation Genius, and it's science videos and lessons for grades K through 8. So I brought up one here, and this lesson is on the seasons and the day of how long the day is. So down below you can see it tells about the goals and objectives for the lesson of what you're hoping to learn. It has discussion questions, vocab, more reading material, an activity, and downloadable PDFs for lesson plans. You can also take an online quiz. So they have all sorts of science topics with a neat video and then, a full lesson and activity to work on. I also wanted to highlight Hoopla. That's not in that list, but there is a feature where if you choose ebooks, or you could even choose audiobooks, the different categories, and then click here, categories, once ebooks is brought up, you can then limit the search to homeschool sections with Hoopla so that they will provide downloadable ebooks to help with homeschooling, so K through 4 and 5 through 8. So that's another neat feature. So please check out this list of links. There's a lot of great things, such as like even just stuff for fun, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, where you can watch full-length episodes, PBS Kids with videos and games. They have stuff even for like adults, like Khan Academy, which, it could be for adults, could also be first grade through college. Anybody can do the Khan Academy and find it helpful. They also have a really cool test prep section for the major tests. So I just wanted to highlight all of that. I hope that some of these links will help you guys have fun exploring. Thanks, everyone.